In today's video, I will show you how to use a Wayfair promo code. To get started, open your web browser and go to wayfair.com. Make sure you are logged into your account so that your shopping preferences and rewards are ready. Browse through the site to find the items you want, and once you have made your selections, add them to your shopping cart. When you are ready to complete your purchase, click on the Checkout Now button to proceed. On the following page, scroll down until you see the section labeled Add Gift Card or Promo Code. Click on it to reveal the text field, enter the promo code you have, and click Apply. Finally, verify that your order total reflects the discount before you finalize the purchase. And that's it. That's how you use a Wayfair promo code. Thank you for watching.